Hello, my friends. I have question to you because I have problem with my studio, with my atelier. How many times a week do you clean your atelier? I don't clean my atelier during the week. I clean when I finished a painting. But what then happens on my desk and table exceed my ability to organize these items. Do you have your own way to cleaning? Do you arrange your items or organize them according to what they are used for? Or what materials they are made? Or do you reach them often or less often? I'm not good at this. I hope you can tell me in the comment what you think are the best way to organize a painting atelier. Please help me. Please comment. Thank you. I really need your help because I'm losing my way and I spend too much time to clean. I spend much more time to clean than just to paint the picture. Have a nice day and be in touch. Bye.